Alright, hi. Today we'll be talking about the least squares regression line. And the least squares regression line is dealing with the line that goes through our data. Okay, so we're going to be talking about just the line first. We're not going to be talking about the type of points. So if your points are somewhat looking like this, okay, and pretend some of these lines are the actual dots and everything. Okay, your least square regression line is going to go right through them. You don't have to do any kind of guesswork. The calculator will do most of it for you. Okay, now I did teach a class on this to my statistics, or to my pre-calculus students. Okay, so on your calculator, make your two lists. List 1, explanatory variable. List 2, your answer variable. Alright, press stat and go to calc and then figure out which function fits best. Alright, and you're going to look at the direction changes of your data. So always graph your data and then just figure out where to go. So plot the data and see what's going on. If there's one direction change, you're probably going to be using quadratic. Most likely example is you're going to be using these to begin with. Okay, then you go figure out which function is best after you go to the calculator function. Then you type it in here and it's probably going to be linear regression. And then press second L1, type in a comma, second L2, and then press enter, and then you can go to your graph and you can actually look at it. Now the function I want you to be looking at is in the form right here of a plus bx, okay, and you can make your prediction afterwards. Most of the answers will have it reversed a little bit, so I'm okay with that, but just realize that I want you guys to take your time and actually do the calculations. Now, if you want a... Oh, come on. If you want a pretty darn good calculator that does these calculations for you and is actually able to find the LSRL line pretty easily. Okay, there's a good one right here. Let me try to get to it. It also does correlation, so you can actually see your correlation and just be able to work that way. Okay. Okay, copy. Okay, and that's going to be right here. Okay, and it's at mathporter.org/calculator/statistics calculator/correlation or regression calculator.php. Okay, and what you can do is you can enter in your x values, your y values, and you can actually use a data grid to input. Yeah, well, you could use a data grid if you want. You could find the equation of the regression line, find the correlation coefficient, and show an explanation as well. So this is going to be some great stuff to work through when you're beginning with LSRLs. Okay, that is pretty much it for LSRLs. Otherwise, I will talk to you guys later and have a great day. Bye.